Digital cash is the future. So let's take a look what's in the future of Dash. Let's make that price prediction for this year. Let's see where this oldie but goodie is heading. And a word of warning, keep your mind open, cause I'm gonna make your head spin from the numbers I'm gonna give you. Let's go. Before we proceed, listen to this guy. Click all the video buttons, and you know the major ones. Subscribe, share, like, dislike, Bearskin the last one. Why should you do it? So that you can join the crypto pack, so that you can join the thousands that are welcoming you into this community that is roaring to the future. It is completely free, and you could be getting some value out of it. Don't miss the train, not the channel, but the whole crypto space. A handful of opportunities will come like this one. Regarding to that, what's happening in the markets? Let's check that out. Regarding to the huge moves that Binance Coin had lately, isn't 11% pullback a normal thing? A normal, let's say, side effect? Absolutely. Yesterday we surpassed $600. Now we are pulling back at 540. Nothing to worry about. Big gains will give you big pullbacks. Although I wouldn't call this a big pullback. We are in the crypto lands where anything is possible. If you are into Binance Coin, check one of our videos where we gave you targets, where we made price prediction and did some TA. Check it out. But XRP, ladies and gentlemen, the one below him, 16.16%. When this guy goes, he goes. $1.60. Extraordinary moves in the last few days. He was dead for months, and now starting to show itself. Will he regain the third place? His the rightful ownership. He held it for a few years, almost since I remember. Now Binance going to throne him. What will be Game of Thrones at the crypto space. Very exciting stuff. If you are into XRP, also check out our videos. We got a few of those. We did price predictions, TA, whatever you like. Check them out. And now let's check the Dash. The coin that was requested a long time ago finally came into our video. Enjoy what I'm about to present you on the Dash chart. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Monthly chart of Dash versus dollar. As I said, Dash is oldie but goodie. You gotta respect this guy because he is here for quite some time. This is 2014. We have a price action. 2014, ladies and gentlemen. This much price action on the monthly. Some coins that we analyze are barely having on the daily, so pay respects to the digital cash. So every can 1 month or the conclusions from today's video. Super important because we are doing a monthly chart. What's to be seen on the monthly is not to take it lightheartedly. It's serious stuff. This peak is our bull run of 2017. This low is the bottom of our bear run last year, March of 2020. So let's say that this was a bear market. Before the bear, of course, fiercely bull all the way from 2015 to the end of 2017. So when something goes up, you know, some of it must come down. This is just the way of the markets. This is just how things work, not in the crypto lands, in any financial assets. Regarding to that, can we conclude that we are now in a bull? Well, absolutely. We did our time with this bear market. The bull came. The bull is on. It's that simple. If I remove all this and show you the real proof on the monthly chart, remember this was our low, and after that we had a lower low. But what happened in the month of September of last year, just a few months ago, we made that higher low, signaling that we are no longer going down, that from that point on we could expect only the good stuff. Bull market in all its glory. What trendline would be? Draw, to give us some narrative. You know what? For now I will go with this one. It's a pretty important one. In here you can see a clear support, after that break, resistance at the beginning of 2020, but also in February, and let's say right now, this line of resistance is giving us some troubles. I believe that two scenarios are possible. Either we go along that trend line, or if the altcoin season ignites the dash, which I believe will happen, this is expected. A break of this resistance, which will be an explosion that for now I believe you haven't seen this bull run in the dash. Yes, you saw it right here. For example, all of this move, this was an explosion. We could be at the beginning of it, or still not even started. So ladies and gentlemen, for those who don't believe in dash, well, huge potential ahead. It's not that I'm some shiller of dash. I don't buy that stuff. I don't buy into the narrative of shilling anything. I do like the project, but charts are telling me many gains, which I will show you in the price prediction at the end of the video, are ahead of us. I mean, let's be real, we haven't even touched our all-time highs, not even conquering from those levels that we are right now, all-time highs. What do you think will happen when we surpass those? Will we go into the price discovery? Well, you can guess. If I show you volume, can you spot the skyscraper in February? Yes, some profit taking because of that wick, because as you saw, we touched the resistance line, but huge buying power came into dash. This is like a ticking bomb. This is like waiting of an explosion. Exciting stuff. Action movie, thriller, drama, I don't know what you want to call it. This could be huge. Of course, don't disregard that at any time, yes, Dash could do this. He could pull back, but that doesn't do nothing to our narrative. That doesn't destroy nothing in our bull, macro bull for Dash, if you ask me. And you're not asking. Now, before I give you that price prediction for 2021, how about we chart 21 exponential moving average? Just to show you the difference between the bull and the bear, because on this chart, he is showing us a clear difference. What do I mean by that? Well, can you spot at the bull run, we are always above this 21. And can you spot in the bear market, look at this, it's holding us down all the way since we crossed it at 2018. We peaked our head above this 21 just at the beginning of this year. So where are we? Is it possible that right now we are somewhere in this region? Is it possible that all of this potential is ahead of Dash? Yeah, it is possible. Maybe not in those terms of percentages. Maybe that is too much. But don't disregard altcoins. If you think that you saw altcoin season, you haven't saw nothing. We can plot 13 exponential moving average just for the one simple fact. He is following the line, the price action, also always below the price. In the bear market, different story, always above the price. Why I just show you this? Check this point, check this point. What is this? A bullish crossover of the 13 and the 21. That happened right here, a few months ago. What just happened? Isn't this the same story to the upside? Isn't this the bullish crossover that we've been waiting for on the grand scale, the monthly scale, the big picture? Yes, it is. So, big picture, bullish narrative, all the way. And now, let's dive into those levels that I promised you at the beginning of the video, because I believe a lot of you clicked just because of it. First things first, clean chart. A second thing is marking the bull market top 15, the bear market low at 20. And if you follow the channel right now, you know what's gonna happen. We draw from this point to that point a Fibonacci retracement tool in a reverse way. In the normal situation, you are using from the bottom to the top, with reversal, just for getting Fibonacci extensions into the future. And the future is the next few months, if you ask me. Okay, so let's go into the future. I think this is enough. From that point, you can see all you need to see. The levels I'm talking about are right here. After we breach all-time highs, $1,671, we will go to the extensions on 161.8, 261.8, 361.8, and my favorite, 423.6%. What are we talking about? After we breach this 100%, 1,671. Let's say that the next stop is $2,682. Soon after that, don't doubt it, $4,318. Very soon after that, $5,953. Let's round into $6,000. Ladies and gentlemen, can I now present you the level that you came here for 23.6% extension into the future. $6,964, rounding it to $7,000. Hearing it right. Right now we are below $300, standing at $286. Yes, this chart is correct. Here is the number, $286. I'm telling you that by the end of the year, if the bull market decides that the Dash is a worthy one, which I don't see why it wouldn't be, $7,000 is waiting for you. Do you think this is super bullish or maybe too conservative? There are always both sides of the coin. But remember, I'm just speaking what the chart is saying to me. This is not my opinion. This is something that Fibonacci just gave us. $7,000. I will embrace that. Will you? And now I will blow your mind even more by saying $7,000 is a conservative approach. Because what lies above those levels? Well, that is a topic for another time. I do believe that Dash is able to outperform even the level of $7,000. But let's not be greedy. I'm also human, I'm also greedy. $7,000 is far more than enough, right? But you know what is not enough? Smashing the like. It's never enough for you to pick the thumbs up. It's never enough for you to support this channel and to show to other viewers and the crypto enthusiasts that we got some value that is provided to you. Thank you for that. If you want your coin to be covered in the next video, check out in the description what I'm about to say on that matter. And until then, watch those videos from my channel that I'm presenting to you right now, those price predictions, those DA. I'm doing my best to give you some insights into this space. Until the next time, let's dash.